Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Welcome to another one of my videos. First off, I want to start off by appreciating everyone who has been subscribing to my platform. Keep sharing, keep engaging. I appreciate you. Today I have a new video for you, which I'm going to prepare a quick and easy meal that anyone can prepare, including your own kids. So I'm going to kickstart by adding some bay leaf, some green cumin, some cloves, some cinnamon stick, caldamon seeds, salt and black peppercorns. I'm going to also use these herbs to boil some rice, set it aside, and start off another pot by adding some ghee oil, some chopped garlic, some onions, and after that I'm going to add cilantro. I'm going to also add some turmeric powder into that and give that a small mix. Bring in the rice that I just removed and mix it together, and going to set that aside as I start off on a different pot, adding some cooking oil, some chopped garlic and fresh chili, and I'm going to add some chicken gizzards into this, which I'm going to roast and brown them in this pot. While after I'm going to add some chopped onions, some chopped capsicum, together with some salt, some black pepper. I also am going to add some cumin powder, ginger powder, coriander powder, and chicken masala. And then I'm going to give that a good mix. I'm also going to bring in some fresh tomatoes, and also I'm going to add in some tomato paste to this. So I'm going to add some little water after that, so that all these spices and flavors that are sticking on the side of the pots will all just infuse into the dish, bringing all that aroma into the gizzards. I'm going to also make sure that I add some more water in order to cook these gizzards for some time, bring them to a boil, also let them simmer, because they need to soften up, and also add some extra cilantro to that. After which I'm going to plate it. As you can see, I've plated it. Simple and precise, just a quick lunch for you and the kids to prepare anytime during the day, and also requires very little effort. So for everyone who has been following my videos, I appreciate you all for sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my platform, share my videos, and keep commenting, and let's engage. And see you the next video, and I'll notify you. You can click on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video.